Stop frying your Scotch eggs. Today, I'm showing you a healthier Cameroon-style Scotch egg made with whole wheat flour and baked to perfection. This recipe is perfect if you're trying to reduce oil, eat cleaner, and still enjoy something filling, satisfying, and absolutely delicious. Imagine a soft, slightly sweet, golden brown crust on the outside, and inside, a perfectly cooked egg. It's simple, nourishing, and honestly, once you try it this way, you may not want to go back to frying. Let's begin with the eggs because that is the heart of this recipe. Place your eggs into a pot and cover them with water. Once your eggs are done, immediately transfer them into a bowl of cold water. This step is very important because it stops the cooking process and also makes peeling much easier. Take your time so the eggs remain smooth and intact. Set them aside and let's move on to preparing our dough. Now we're making our healthy whole wheat dough, and this is where the magic happens. In a large mixing bowl, add your whole wheat flour, a pinch of salt, and baking powder. Mix these dry ingredients together first to ensure everything is evenly combined. Next, add your brown sugar. The brown sugar gives a subtle sweetness and a richer, deeper flavor compared to white sugar. Now crack in one egg, add a splash of vanilla extract for that warm aroma, pour in some condensed milk, and add your plant-based butter. Begin mixing everything together slowly. At first, it may look a bit messy or sticky, but keep going. Use your hands to knead the mixture gently until it forms a soft, smooth dough. You're looking for a dough that is soft but not too sticky, and firm enough to hold its shape. If it feels too sticky, you can sprinkle in a little more whole wheat flour. If it feels too dry, you can add a tiny bit of condensed milk or a few drops of water. Once your dough is ready, let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps the ingredients settle and makes the dough easier to work with. Now it's time to assemble. Take a portion of the dough and roll it into a ball, then flatten it in your palm or on a clean surface. You want it wide enough to wrap around your egg, but not too thick. Place one boiled egg in the center of the flattened dough. Carefully lift the edges of the dough and wrap it around the egg, sealing it completely. Make sure there are no cracks or openings. Smooth it out gently with your hands so it looks neat and even. This step is important because it gives your Scotch eggs that beautiful shape and ensures they bake evenly. Repeat this process for all your eggs until they are all wrapped and ready. Now let's give them that golden, glossy finish. Take an egg yolk and brush it gently over the surface of each Scotch egg. This is what will give them that beautiful shiny, bakery-style look once they come out of the oven. It also adds a slight richness to the crust. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line your baking tray with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Arrange your Scotch eggs on the tray, leaving a little space between each one so they bake evenly. Place them in the oven and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. As they bake, you'll start to notice the tops turning golden brown and your kitchen filling with a warm, sweet, comforting aroma. It's honestly one of the best parts of this recipe. After about 25 minutes, check on them. If they are nicely golden brown, you can take them out. If you want a deeper color, you can leave them in for a few more minutes, but keep a close eye so they don't overbake. Once done, remove them from the oven and allow them to cool slightly. This makes them easier to handle and also helps the inside settle properly. Now for the best part, serving. You can enjoy these healthy Cameroon-style Scotch eggs warm or at room temperature. When you cut one open, you'll see that beautiful layer of soft whole wheat dough on the outside and a perfectly cooked egg inside. The flavor is slightly sweet, rich, and very satisfying. It's a perfect balance between healthy and indulgent. These Scotch eggs are great for breakfast, as a snack, for meal prep, or even for entertaining guests. You can pair them with tea, fresh juice, or even a light sauce if you like. And the best part is that you made them without deep frying, using better ingredients that support a healthier lifestyle. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Afro Healthy Mind. Share this video with someone who loves Scotch eggs but is looking for a healthier option. Let me know in the comments how you would customize yours, and if you want more healthy African-inspired recipes like this.